YouTube, your girl Marcita B here, and the hair I'll be using in this video is from Model Glance. It is their 20-inch Bermuda wave. This hair came out around the very first of the year, first week of January 2018. Hair is made in 8 solid colors, 3 ombres. I purchased this hair from hairsisters.com, $5.99 a pack. Currently they only have 4 of the solid colors, 1, 1B, 2, and 4, and I am using color 1B. The wig cap I'm using for this unit I purchased at my local beauty supply store, about $3.99. It is from the Q-Fit collection. It is a cornrow U-Part wig cap with adjustable straps in the back, and actually comes with 4 clips. I sewed 2 of those onto either side of the U-Part in the front. Here's one strand out of the pack, give you a good idea of what that curl pattern looks like. It's kind of an ocean wave curl pattern, and each pack comes with 20 of these strands, about the same size. I purchased 5 packs of hair. I am creating a crochet braid U-Part wig with leave out, and I've installed 4 packs so far. I did not separate the first 3 packs, but the 4th pack closer to the top I did separate the strands in half. This hair separates really nicely with minimal frizzing. It has a nice thick yaki texture that was easy to work with. I made this unit probably in less than an hour, because all you really have to do, because of this nice thick texture, is just loop it once on your wig cap, pull the hair through, and it's pretty much set right there. Here's a look at the inside of the unit. You can see the clips there in the front. I am going to go ahead and try her on now. So my hair is definitely natural. I added a little bit of heat to my leave out to try to blend it as closely as possible to the texture of the Model Glance Bermuda wave. YouTube, thank you so very much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. Now, if there's anything that I didn't cover, you have questions or comments, please post those below. I will be sure to get right back at you. Thanks again, YouTube. I am out for now, but you know what I always say before I go. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.